step number 8, we want to explain how you can use the filters for tasks. So by now you know that the filters are to give you ready information so that you can make informed decisions. So of course there's a tab here for tasks. You'll be able to see your tasks which are coming up right here, and you'll also be able to see tasks which are due at this moment and upcoming tasks at this moment. All right, and then of course recently assigned tasks. So from the dashboard there's also some information about your tasks, but I want to show you how you can use those filters. So you come here, tasks, you click on tasks. We only have one task assigned. So I want to explain this search is for the purpose of searching a particular task. So you can search prepare submissions, and then you search all the tasks on prepare submissions will be listed right here. Okay, but you can also search depending on the day that the task was due. Okay, so I can search like today. I click today's date, or any other date for that matter, what tasks were due on that particular day. So this is a very useful feature, because every day the managing partner gets into the firm, they might want to know which task was supposed to be due today, so nothing really falls through the cracks, and then they can address all those tasks that were supposed to be due that day with the respective team members that were supposed to have done those tasks. They can also get the progress done on those tasks. Okay, so this is important as well. You can filter tasks based on the level of priority. So at the point of assigning a task in the previous video, you have the option of flagging them as low priority, normal priority, or high priority. So you might want to find out which tasks were of high priority and are still pending. Okay, so you can also filter this, and these are not mutually exclusive. You can select either of these variables, either one of the variables, or you can mix the variables depending on the data that you want to retrieve. You can also search tasks based on the assignees. So you can search for a particular assignee and hit search, so that you can see all his tasks, when they were created and when they're supposed to be due. And of course you can search based on the status of the task. So pending simply means that the task has not been done, or rather the person assigned has not clicked inside Patafile that the task has been done. Done shows that the task was done, and the person who was assigned has clicked that the same has been done, and consequently the person who assigned has been notified that the task has been done. And then approved is when the person who assigned the task gets a notification that the task has been done, and goes ahead and counter checks the quality of that task that has been done, and clicks approved. So these are the filters. You can use, as I said, you can use multiple variables. You can say which tasks were due today, for instance. You choose the date of high priority belonging to a particular assignee, say that, and are still pending, and then you hit search. So once you hit search, all the tasks that were supposed to have been due today, that were assigned to this particular gentleman and were of high priority and are still pending, will pop up here, and then you have the information to follow up with the person who was assigned, so that the same can be remedied. Okay, so you can view your tasks based on listing, which is this way. There'll be as many tasks as are assigned here, or you can view your tasks based on the calendar. So you can have a task calendar, which will also populate the task. So it gives you like a feel of how each day is loaded with tasks. All right, you'll be able to see this particular day, how many tasks are there, how many tasks are on each particular day, and even what time. So that now you take a mental note of what needs to be done during that particular time. So you viewing your calendar, calendar events, vis-a-vis. So you view your calendar events and see what matters are coming up for that particular day, and you can also now view your tasks just to see which tasks you're supposed to do that day. So you could have a court session, a hearing, but at the same time under your tasks you could be having a preparation of submissions. So it gives you a feel of how you need to weigh your time and how you need to weigh your schedule. So that's it for the task filters. We do apologize that we're using an account that has not so many of tasks so that you can have the full picture, but it's because of confidentiality that we have to do this. Otherwise we would have used a farm that is a lot more populated, my farm for that matter. So that's it, and that's how the filters for tasks work. Cheers.